Welcome. We present to you a review of Liv Pure. I'll walk you through what it is, what makes it stand out, the ingredients inside, how it works, pricing, safety, and whether it might be the right fit for you. So, what exactly is Liv Pure? At its core, it's a dietary supplement designed not just to help with weight loss, but to do so in a way that's different from the majority of products you see out there. Instead of just targeting fat directly, Liv Pure focuses on your liver. Why? Because your liver is the organ responsible for filtering toxins and determining whether the food you eat is burned for energy or stored as fat. And here's the interesting part. Recent research suggests that poor liver function could be one of the hidden causes of stubborn belly fat. So rather than just trimming calories, this product goes deeper, helping your body work the way it was meant to. Now, what makes Liv Pure different from others on the market? Most supplements throw together common fat-burning ingredients and hope for the best. Liv Pure, however, is built around two carefully designed complexes, one for purification and one for fat burning. The purification side works on cleansing and regenerating the liver, flushing out pollutants, and supporting overall function. The fat-burning side is designed to ignite metabolism and improve how efficiently your body uses food as fuel. Together, these two mechanisms promise a more holistic approach to fat loss, rather than a quick fix. Inside each capsule, you'll find ingredients that are both natural and science-backed. For purification, there's Silymarin, known for supporting detox and regeneration. Betaine, which helps keep the liver working properly. Berberine, an ancient plant compound known for both detox and immune support. Molybdenum, which helps flush out harmful pollutants. And glutathione, often called the master antioxidant. On the fat-burning side, you'll see Camellia sinensis for metabolism and heart health, Resveratrol for boosting energy expenditure, genistein for reducing inflammation while supporting fat loss, chlorogenic acid for calorie burning, and choline for better metabolism and mental clarity. It's a thoughtful mix that works on multiple angles. So how does Liv Pure actually work? Think of it like giving your liver the reset button it needs. When your liver functions properly, it can filter toxins more effectively, which means less burden on your body and more efficiency in burning fat. The fat-burning complex then steps in, essentially turning your liver into a metabolic engine, helping you burn calories instead of storing them. It's about restoring balance so your body can finally work with you instead of against you. Of course, a big question is whether it's safe. The formula is made with plant-based ingredients, non-GMO, soy-free, dairy-free, and non-habit-forming. It's generally considered safe for adults. That said, it's not intended for pregnant or nursing women, or for anyone with serious medical conditions without consulting their doctor first. Now, let's talk results. Based on consistent use, the company suggests improvements in energy, more efficient fat metabolism, and gradual sustainable weight loss over time. It's not about overnight miracles, but about supporting your body so the results actually last. Now let's talk about pricing, because that's always on everyone's mind. Liv Pure comes with a special introductory offer. A single bottle, a 30-day supply, is available, but the biggest savings come with bundles. 2 bottles, which cover 60 days, are priced at $79 per bottle, totaling $158 plus shipping. The most popular option is 3 bottles, a 90-day supply, at $69 per bottle, bringing the cost to $207 plus shipping. But the best value is the 6-bottle bundle, which gives you a full 180-day supply at just $49 per bottle, $294 total, and it comes with free shipping. If you're serious about giving this supplement the time it needs to work, that 6-bottle deal really makes sense. And here's the safety net. Every order comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it for 2 months, and if you're not satisfied, you can return even empty bottles for a full refund, minus shipping. Here's my take. What I like about Liv Pure is that it doesn't try to be another quick fix fad. It looks at the deeper reason why weight loss can be so difficult for many people: compromised liver function. By targeting that root cause, it gives your body a better foundation to burn fat naturally. Add in the fact that it's made from safe, natural ingredients, offers bundle discounts, and comes with a no-risk guarantee. And it's hard not to see the value. If you've been spinning your wheels with diets and exercise plans without the results you want, this could be the missing link. If you want to check it out for yourself, the official purchase link with discounts and any special offers is available in the description below.